10 laws for thriving in the AI economy. The world is shifting under our feet. For centuries, wealth came from land, then from factories, then from information. Today, in the age of artificial intelligence, machines can create at near zero cost. Text, images, code, even decisions that once required rare expertise now spill out of algorithms in endless supply. When everything becomes abundant, the question is no longer how to make more. The question becomes, what will still matter when machines can make almost anything? That is the puzzle of the AI economy, and the answer lies in the 10 laws. Law 1. Own the layer above the model. AI models change like weather. Today's breakthrough becomes tomorrow's relic. The real wealth belongs not to those who train models, but to those who control the layer above them. The interfaces, platforms, and ecosystems that decide which models are used, trusted, and scaled. Engines come and go, but climates last. Law 2. Distribution beats intelligence. A genius in isolation loses to a mediocre idea with a megaphone. In the AI economy, intelligence is rentable. Anyone can access world-class reasoning through an API. But distribution, the ability to reach and influence people at scale, cannot be rented. It must be owned. Ledgers of trust, networks of attention, and channels of community will matter more than IQ points or model parameters. Law 3. Proof of personhood will be the new money. As AI fakes flood the world, verified humanity becomes scarce. The currency of tomorrow will not only be dollars or tokens, but proof that you are real. Those who build rails for identity, ways to certify voice, presence, and originality, will mint value that no model can counterfeit. Law 4. Sell belonging at scale. When information is infinite, community becomes the product. People will not pay for yet another answer, but for rituals of connection, recognition, and belonging. In the AI economy, fortunes will be made not by hoarding knowledge, but by designing spaces where people feel seen, valued, and part of something larger. Law 5. Control the maps, not the boats. Engines drive boats, but harbors set the rules of passage. In turbulent waters, those who own the maps, standards, platforms, and ecosystems collect the tolls. In every era of disruption, the ones who define safe navigation become wealthy before the ones who merely row harder. Law 6. Authenticity is the scarce asset. When machines can imitate endlessly, the rarest thing is the authentic. Human voice, traceable origin, verified creation. In the age of infinite abundance, people will pay a premium for what feels real, trustworthy, and rooted in human story. Scarcity shifts from production to proof. Law 7. Compliance is the new currency. Governments will not halt AI, they will shape it through law. In this maze of rules, compliance itself becomes a service and a moat. Those who provide trust layers, tools that keep companies legal, ethical, and safe, will own the rails on which the AI economy must run. Law 8. Orchestration outranks creation. It is no longer enough to make a single product or model. Wealth flows to those who orchestrate many AIs into symphonies, systems where tools coordinate, amplify, and complement one another. The conductor, not the soloist, captures the value. Law 9. Micro-enterprises become the new empires. One person with AI can do the work of 100. The economy will splinter into millions of small, agile ventures, each powered by automated infrastructure. Networks of micro-enterprises, not corporate behemoths, will dominate the next era of growth. The empire of tomorrow is a federation of solos. Law 10. Meaning outlasts machines. When every task can be automated, the rarest human capacity is not efficiency, but clarity of purpose. In the end, wealth will follow those who can answer the oldest question with the newest tools. Why does this matter? Meaning, not money, becomes the ultimate currency because it directs all the others. The Age of Orchestration. Together, these 10 laws form a blueprint for thriving in the AI age. They remind us that machines can flood the world with abundance, but they cannot choose what matters. They can generate voices, but they cannot confer identity. They can mimic community, but they cannot replace belonging. To thrive in the AI economy is to stop trying to be the engine. It is to become the harbor, owning the ledgers of trust, the maps of meaning, the orchestras of collaboration, and the communities that give life value. For in every age of transformation, the richest are not those who merely ride the waves. The richest are those who design the shore.